In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable two-factor authentication on Telegram. This adds an essential layer of security to your account by requiring a password in addition to your phone number for login. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. On your settings page, select Privacy and Security. Onto the Privacy and Security page, select Two-Step Verification. Tap right here on Set Additional Password. Create your password. Re-enter your password to verify. You can also enter a hint in case you forget your password. I'll just skip this. Enter your email address to send you a verification code. Once the code is sent, enter it and your password will successfully get set. From now onwards, you will be required to enter password to access your Telegram account. Well, that's how easy it is to enable two-factor verification on Telegram.